Dear student, welcome to my mathematics class of 10th standard. In today's class, we'll see one question from pair of linear equation in two variables. The question is from exercise 3.2, question number 2. Let's solve it. Let's start. Question is on comparing the ratios a1 by a2, b1 by b2 and c1 by c2. Find out whether the lines representing the following pair of linear equations intersect at a point or parallel or coincident. We have to find lines are intersecting or lines are parallel lines or lines are coincident line. That we have to check by comparing the ratios. First of all, I want to tell you the standard form of pair of linear equation in two variable. This is the standard form: a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. This is the standard form of linear equation in two variables, student. Now, to get the values of a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2, we have to compare the first equation with the first one and second equation with the second equation in the given question. Also, I want to show you some more thing. When the lines are intersect at a point, when they are parallel and when they are coincident. If a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, then lines are intersecting lines. I am writing IL. You write full: intersecting lines. Second, if a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2, then lines are parallel lines, student. Parallel lines. Third one, if a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2, then lines are coincident lines, student. Let's start. First, we have to compare the first equation with first one to get the values of a1, b1, c1. I am comparing with this. I am writing here a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. I am comparing this equation with the first one. Coefficient of x is a1. a1 is equal to 5. Coefficient of x is a1, that is 5. Coefficient of y, when you compare, in place of b1 we have minus 4. So b1 is equal to minus 4. Now c1 is equal to constant 8. Now compare the second equation with this second equation. Coefficient of x is a2. Okay, a2, in place of a2 we have 7. a2 is equal to 7. In place of b2 in the second equation we have 6. So b2 is equal to 6. And in place of constant here it is minus 9. c2 is equal to minus 9. Now let's find these values. a1 by a2 is equal to, a1 is 5, a2 is 7. So a1 by a2 we got 5 by 7. Now let's find b1 by b2. b1 is -4 and b2 is 6. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. Answer is -2 divided by 3. Here only I can decide whether it is intersecting lines, parallel or coincident. See here, we got a1 by a2 5 by 7, b1 by b2 -2 by 3. Are they equal? No, they are not equal. It means they are intersecting lines. We have to write here a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. Then below it we have to write, therefore the lines are intersecting. Lines are intersecting. We have to write a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. Therefore, the lines are intersecting lines. You can see it is satisfying this condition. a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. That's why lines are intersecting lines. Let's move to the second question. Here, this is a1. You have to compare first one with first, second with second equation. Now a1 is equal to 9, b1 is equal to 3 and c1 is equal to 12. a2 is equal to 18, b2 is equal to 6 and c2 is equal to 24. Now let's find a1 by a2, b1 by b2 and c1 by c2 student. a1 by a2 is equal to a1 is how much? 9 divided by 18. 9 ones are 9 twos are. Answer is 1 by 2. Then let's find b1 by b2. b1 by b2. b1 is how much? 3 divided by b2 is how much? 6. 3 ones are 3 twos are. Answer is 1 divided by 2. Now c1 divided by c2. c1 is 12 student and c2 is 24 in the second equation. 12 ones are 12 twos are. So answer is 1 by 2. Here you can see all are equal. All are equal. a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, which is equal to c1 by c2. All are equal. 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Therefore, if all are equal, then that line is coincident lines, student. We have to write the lines are coincident. Now third question. This is a1, this is b1, this is c1, this is a2, -1 is b2 and this is c2. a1 is equal to 6, b1 is equal to -3 and c1 is equal to 10. a2 is equal to 2, b2 is equal to -1 student. Okay, coefficient of y is -1. Okay, and c2 is 9. Now we have to find a1 by a2. a1 by a2 is 6 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2, 3s are. Answer is 3. Then we have to find b1 by b2. b1 by b2 is equal to, b1 is -3 divided by b2 is -1. Answer will be +3. Then c1 by c2 is equal to 10 divided by 9. You can see here these two are equal and the third one is not equal. So I can write here A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2, which is not equal to C1 by C2. Therefore, see, if this is the condition, if you get like this, then the lines are parallel lines. The lines are parallel. So these are the 3 questions we solved today. If you have any doubt, you can write in the comment section. I hope you understood. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel Tech Mathematics. Thank you for watching my videos.